What's up, folks? It's Eric with Option Edge. It's Friday night after the market close. I'm sitting around doing not a whole lot and figured I'd look at some charts. So what I have here is the QQQs up. And the reason why I'm bringing this up is because I went long. I believe Monday I opened a diagonal spread where I sold the 50 Delta, the 322 call, and then that expires in June, and then sold the May 19th 327 or 330 call against it. And initially this thing took a nosedive, but today we've bounced off this congestion line, which I thought maybe we were going to see a dip below right here. Looked like we were heading lower, and then maybe we'd bounce off of this trend line, but we've maintained that. So this has maintained a level of support, and I think we're going to just continue to the upside here in the next couple days. And, you know, not an easy decision to go long with all the crazy stuff happening. You know, every day you hear about the higher and higher chances of a recession hitting, but that's what's going on with the QQQs. Let's take a look at the SPY. SPY is in a similar situation. We're sort of hovering around this resistance line. We've gotten through it, but now it's just a matter of breaking through. It looks like today you could sort of think of that as a confirmation maybe that we're through, and then we might continue to the next congestion line. So I'm pretty bullish right now, and I feel like I shouldn't be, but I am. And then let's just look at a couple of the holdings of the Nasdaq. So here's the top holdings. We got Microsoft, Apple, Amazon. You know, Apple had earnings, big earnings beat, and guidance was raised. So Apple's been off to the races. Let's take a look at Apple, and then we'll look at Microsoft and a couple other names here. Apple sort of marching up this trend line. We have overhead resistance right around 178-ish, 177. So that might be coming to an end soon, but we still have that upward momentum. Nice little volume, spike in volume today. Let's take a look at Microsoft. I feel like Microsoft's been the it stock with ChatGPT and all the AI talk, but right now we got some overhead resistance. It's going to need more oomph to get through that. If it gets through that, that's going to be off the races. And yeah, it's been just extremely strong. Let's look at NVDA. NVDA sort of has broken out of this channel, so that's concerning. It looks like, you know, there could be a long way down. Let's look at a different time frame. Yeah, if we look at the 3-year, it's out of that channel as well, and looks like we have more downside than upside for NVIDIA. Let's take a look at Google. Here's the 3-year for Google. You can see we're right at this congestion point. We got this overhead resistance. You know, if I was to bet, with the way the major indices are going, Google might be able to break through this resistance point. If it does, I think that might be a good point to maybe do some sort of diagonal spread like I like to do when the implied volatility is low, which it has been. VIX is pretty down, pretty good today. Let's take a look at Tesla. Tesla is interesting right now. It's at a point where it could move up, move down. I don't really have much of an opinion on Tesla. Let's look at Meta. Meta's been pretty strong, but you can see it's also broken out of this channel. Let's look at a different view. Yeah, it's broken out of this channel, even though it broke out here and sort of has been still going up. But I think we have more downside than upside in the near future, but we'll see. So yeah, that's all. That's just one look at some charts, and have a good weekend, everyone. Peace out. Happy Cinco de Mayo.